YouTube, what up? I told you I'd be back. Once again, got tagged on Instagram. Got some new high resolution images. And man, I couldn't be happier, bro. I think that's the new Bullseye body. It looks a little different, but I'm pretty sure that's the new Bullseye body. I think people's concerns are if the wires are bendy wires, the tentacles. And I doubt it, but if they're not, could you really be mad? It looks amazing. It looks like the Superior Octopus, the head sculpt, the decals, the bright green octopus on the chest, even to the wrist gauntlets and the gloves. Like, this looks pretty accurate. How can you be mad at this? People are telling me, Pounds, yo, they copied you. Yours looks better. And I want to be honest, mine doesn't look better than this. This looks very, very, very accurate. And again, they're not copying me. This is a Marvel design, so it doesn't belong to me. I didn't make it up. I was just probably the first one you've seen do it. But wow, this looks amazing, guys. From the choice of the green, not the bright green, but like the subtle gray green. It's hard to explain because to get that color, it's pretty tight. So I congratulate them for getting that. Hopefully the mass release matches the prototype images, because this is very wanting. I want this. I definitely want a couple, because I don't know if you know or not, even though I made this a couple times, I don't have one. I was never able to own one myself. So to get one from the factory is very exciting. It's like someone commissioning the figure for themselves, because now I get to have it and pick it up as many times as I want, if I can find it, if I'm lucky. So, and the same thing with a lot of customizers. So I know they feel happy when they see customs that they make as well get pumped out by the factory, because for them, I'm sure they want to own pieces that they kind of make. And not to say that this is inspired by me, because again, this is a Marvel piece. I'm saying whether I influenced this or not, I would love to have one, because I only make customs of characters that I like as far as designs go, and Superior Octopus for me is like Spider-Man top 10. So I'm happy to have one. But what do you think? And the more I look at it, the more this body kind of looks new. It's hard to pinpoint what it is exactly. I can't wait to get it in my hands. So now it's this. We have Big Time. We have Anti-Agent Venom. We have the Ends of Earth. And then the Velocity suit. So many spiders, so little time.